Hey, this is Austin with Oregon Trail Target. We're just out here plinking around with a Daisy pellet gun, break action, 17 caliber. We're going to shoot a steel squirrel with open sights at 30 yards. That's how you do it.